Types of graphs. In this set of math tutorials, we cover types of graphs in detail with clear guides, types of graphs formulas and working examples. Each tutorial includes example questions, a revision guide, and supporting types of graphs calculators. We also provide online types of graphs calculators, which allow you to calculate specific types of graphs formula in support of the tutorials, or to check and verify your own calculations in support of your types of graphs homework, math coursework, or to help you improve your own understanding so it is easier to teach your children types of graphs. That is all for introduction to types of graphs. To start this chapter, please watch the first tutorial 15.1, Introduction to Quadratic Graphs Part 1. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.iCalculator.com.